ShadowSense touchscreens are a bezel-based technology, and the touch function is totally independent of the glass covering the display. This gives our customers a number of real-world advantages. First, there aren't any films or depositions on the glass, which reduce the display brightness and blur the image. This means you get brighter displays with a much better image quality. In addition, we use only hardened protective glass, which provides significant protection against scratches, cracks, and breakage. You've all seen those touch products that scratch within minutes of being used and just get worse until they simply stop working. In the event something does scratch or even slightly crack the protective glass in a Baanto product, our touch detection won't be affected. That means better field reliability for your product and a lower operating cost for everyone involved. Baanto also seals the protective glass to the bezel, keeping both fluids and dust from penetrating into the display and compromising the reliability of the entire system. And speaking of fluids, I swear that some vendors must think you only deploy products in a clean room and then don't let anyone touch the screen. Come on, let's talk real world for a second and ask yourself, can my current touchscreen technology put up with the greasy hands, the spills, the ooze, the goos, the rain and debris that it's going to see in the field? With Baanto, the answer is a resounding yes. ShadowSense technology doesn't just detect the location of a touch, but also the size and transparency of the object touching the screen. These capabilities are supported by our configuration dashboard, which allows designers to literally dial in the size and density of an object that will be recognized as a touch. This feature not only helps to identify invalid touches, but for the first time it also gives developers the tools necessary to tailor the performance of the touchscreen to best suit their application. By simply adjusting the size parameters, you can filter out objects that don't resemble a finger. In addition, by changing the required opaqueness of an object before it's recognized as a touch, you can adapt the performance of a Baanto touchscreen to ignore water drops, cleaners, oils, and even the occasional ketchup or mustard spill. Sound interesting? Take a look and let us know if you want to test drive one of the most innovative technologies available. ShadowSense by Baanto.